يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم.
Saya terima menikahi Siska Erma Yuliza, anak kandung Bapak, dengan mahar tersebut dibayar tunai.
We were just lovers.
Berjanji dengan kesungguh hati bahwa saya akan mempergauli istri saya bernama Siska Erma Yuliza binti Mansardin dengan baik menurut ajaran Islam.
Like we were tonight, got no alibi. I was alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. No, you slow down time in your golden hour. No.